Hello everyone, welcome back to LK English Book. Today we are going to learn colors. Now let's watch the video. Today you can learn 11 colors in this video. Red, yellow, purple, green, gray, pink, blue, orange, brown, black, white. Now let's look at the pictures. Red, apple. Yellow, banana. Green, apple. Orange, orange. Purple, grapes. Gray, elephant. Brown, bear. Black, crow. Pink, cross. Blue, fish. White, cat. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.